We got a 54 GMC truck, 100, whatever, it gets to half ton or something. You notice up on the hood, it's got the fighter jet, and it's got the this radiator must cost them a lot of bucks, man. It's got an aluminum radiator, fits in here like stock, which is a smart idea. It's got the electric fan with it. It's got the alternator set up, small block with headers. That's a big carburetor on there, man. I'm not sure what kind of carburetor. It's got aftermarket air conditioning. It's almost like there's two carbs on there. Is that like a... Yeah, I don't know what that is. Double pumper, I guess. Double pumper. It's a nice ride, man. See that sucker? There's your filler up place. And you got your bear inside. Automatic. And you notice your emergency brake there on the floor. See that? On the way on the left down there in the bottom. It's your emergency brake. Unique. Oops. And you got a blue wooden box, extra tools. Looks good. It's kind of like painted up old, but it's in real good condition. It's got a master lock on it or something that's real vintage. Illinois. I don't like them when they're sitting up like this, because this is just stock ride height. I don't like them when they're jacked up, and I don't like them when they're lowered. You know, they're just, this is what they were meant to do. You know, you drive it over some rough roads, but it's not, you know, it's not too crazy high, it's not too crazy low. It's the way the hell it's supposed to be, right? Damn nice ride.